Okay, welcome back. Another day. It's July the 12th, okay? New update just came out for the Fimi X8 SE 2022, okay? And we're going to have a look at that right here. And it is firmware flight control 3007E, as you can see here, okay? Last week we had an update for the camera. We've had a few updates for the flight controller, but this is the latest one. And I'll put a screenshot up here. Get rid of that. I'll put a screenshot up here of what the exact wording was for this update. Optimized the flight performance. Does that mean that the controller issue was different, but it wasn't a controller update, it was a flight control update? Does that mean it hovers better? It's not as jittery? I don't know. The other part of the update was the TX10 controller. Okay? Now the odd thing of that I found out was they only made about 100 of them in the first batch. And now they're out of stock until late August, maybe. So I remember a while back Hubsan had the same issue. Their first batch was put out, and other drones as well. Then they found something that they should have done, and they changed it. So the second batch that came out were upgraded. Autel did the same thing. Okay, so is that what's happening now? They found a hardware issue in the controller and they kind of fixed it? I don't know. I've been trying to get a hold of a TX10 controller for over 6 months, and I've been after them. Let me know when. I'll pay for it. I'll pay for the shipping, everything. Nope, they don't want to send me one. So I've got to wait and go through the regular process when they come back for sale. When they were on sale originally, you had to lock in your sale before the price even was set. I didn't want to do that. But that's another story completely. Here we have the Fimi X8 SE 2022, the gray edition. I've got landing gear on it. We're all set. We're all updated. We're good to go. Okay. Let's just look in here and make sure we can get the right stuff here. What do we got? Okay, we got 1080p 30 video quality. You always have to change this for some reason. Okay, and average color, general, blah 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 blah. Okay, great. H.264, because H.265 I can't work on my Windows computers. I like H.264. It's not as compressed as H.265, and I find generally it's a little bit better. That's apples and oranges to many people. Some are on one side of the fence, some are on the other side. Up to you. I like H.264. Anyway, let's get it up. Let's see what happens. Long press on the automatic takeoff, and let's get it up. Here we go. Long press. It is windy. Now I'll let it go up to its 4 meters. And that's one thing you have to be cautious of. Let's bring that down. Let's just take it out a little bit so I can talk without. Okay, let's see if it hovers there. For whatever reason, it's not as stable as the Hubsans, okay? And the same with the Fimi X8 Mini. Notice it's going to the right a bit. So I've got to remember this. You can't take your eye off it for too much because it does wander, okay? You have to be careful. Okay, let's get it up and take some videos, okay? It's hovering here. It's not that bad. Let's move it over a bit. Okay, but it's by no means rock solid. Okay, but it is a pretty good craft. Okay, way over 250 grams. Okay, so let's just go out of focus here a bit, and we'll take it up, get there, and we'll go up. It's got a level 8 wind resistance, so I'm not worried about it being up there. Up it goes. Everything's on automatic. Look at that horizon, nice and straight. No problem. We're up a good 36, 40. Let's go up to about 50 meters. There we go. See that horizon? It's a very cloudy day. Some people like to put it on fluorescent. Well, here's fluorescent for you. Let's go into here and we'll go to fluorescent. Don't do white balance. Go to fluorescent. Yeah, interference. I don't know if you can see that or not. Let's go to auto again. If there's any difference, okay? Fluorescent to me makes it more blue, okay? It says we have compass interference. Don't know why. Maybe because it's right above me. So let's just go to the left a bit here. And I'll step out a little ways. And we'll have it. We'll go that way. Okay, that's compass interference should go away pretty soon, I'm hoping. But I don't know why it does that. So that's one negative. I haven't had that before here. Okay. There we go. See if we can go that way a bit. Yeah, it's got a nice smooth flight to it. There we go. It says compass interference, but I don't see. Let's take that video now, okay? There's the video. We're starting the video out there. And we'll go out ways and we'll see what happens here. It says compass interference, but I don't get that. Don't know why. So we're going out there and we're out a good 100, 200 meters, pretty close to it. 150. Okay. Let's go up a little higher. Let's go up to 60 meters. Okay, there we go at 60 meters. And we've got only 40% in the battery. I've got to look at that a little closer. It's very hard to see. Okay, let's turn around a bit. Okay. That horizon's spot on. Not a problem at all. Okay. There's one. And we're coming back this way. Right about there, I think. And the image on the bottom is way off. Okay, I'm facing the drone. And I'm going to bring it back now. But that orientation image on the bottom is way off. And I'll go back and forth. I'll show you this screenshot here. Maybe I'll have it run through the whole video. So it's coming back now. And we're coming back about 7 meters per second or so. So yeah, so it's coming back. I should be able to start hearing it now. And let me turn around here. So now I'm facing the drone. So if I, okay, see there? It says I'm facing the drone, but I'm not. Okay. Now I'm facing the drone. There it is. I see it coming. There it is. There we go. It's right above us now. It's maybe better. Maybe it's just the trees. Okay, so let's face it out to the lake and take a picture. Okay, drop that down a bit. There we go. And we'll just take a picture. I just clicked it once. Nope. Hold. Okay, we have to stop that first. Okay, stop the video. Switch over. It took a picture. Okay. Let's face the house. And back it up. Drop that camera. There's the house. Okay, come into view here. There we go. We'll just flip over there a little bit and bring that camera up a bit. There we go. I'm going to take another picture. Picture taken. Okay, now we're going to go back to the video. One click, and automatically starts the video. That's interesting. Interesting, but I don't know why it says compass interference. Maybe I haven't done a compass calibration in a while, and it says I've got to come back because the battery is low. Okay, yeah, I think I only started with 50 or 60%, but anyway, let's come back. Here we come. We'll come down. And it's coming down. There we go. Okay. Let's just land it. Very good, very good. And it stopped the video. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a compass calibration. Okay, let's do a compass calibration. Let's do a compass calibration. Compass calibration. There we go. To the right. Well, I'm just going to do this. I'm going to do my dance. And point it down. Or is it to point up? There we go. One way or the other, but I don't advise doing that if you haven't had any coffee in the morning because it makes you a little bit dizzy. So we're done there. Great. Okay, let's do that. Let's put this back up in the air and see if we get that problem again. There it goes. And I'm just going to lower it. Turn it around. And up we go, up. There we go. Low battery, but no interference. So there you go. Must have been the compass calibration. Let's bring it down before we run out of battery. Here we come. Okay, it does seem a little bit better, a little less jittery. You know, it's going up and down again. And remember the Fimi X8 Mini? Remember you come down below 5 meters, it's going to go. Okay. This not so bad, but it does have that fluctuation. Okay, so did it give me optimized flight performance? I didn't really notice any difference. It's not bad. See, it's going lower now and higher and lower. Who knows? Maybe it's the optical flow because it just sees green grass. I don't know. But it works. Everything's great. No problem. So let's get this thing stopped. There we go. Bingo. Okay, the Fimi X8 SE 2022. Really fast. It's a tank. I mean, it's built super strong. Flies great. Gets really good video. No problem with horizon tilt for me. No problem taking pictures. No problem with the video. It's a very fast drone. Very capable, very fast. It's got a great range, okay? And later on I'm going to do some good waypoint missions with this if I can, okay? So very heavy, very heavy. But all in all, really good. So the new update, 3007A, I think it is, whatever it was. Maybe it tightened up the reins on the TX10 controller. I don't know. I don't have one. But we shall see. I will get one, but maybe not this month. But as far as a flight control update, didn't wreck anything. The only thing I have noticed over the last 3 or 4 or 5 updates is you have to wait now for the gimbal to initialize. It'll say gimbal not ready. And it takes about 20 seconds, 30 seconds or so, and then it kicks in, then you can use the gimbal, you know you're ready to go. The other thing I noticed was it takes a really long time to do an update. And even on this update, I had to do it twice because it timed out on me. And I've noticed that in the last couple, that it times out and you have to redo it. Okay? Don't know. But acquiring satellites, super fast. Super fast. Nothing compared to even a Hubsan. Well, look at the Hubsan Xeno Mini SE. That took like 5 minutes. This one, boom, there. You can get this up in the air in a minute, a couple of minutes, easy. Okay, that's about everything. Hope you liked it. Get outside. It stopped raining right now. It's a little chilly, but that's why I got the sweatshirt on. But yeah, all's good. It's great. Okay, see you in the next one. Bye now.